Welcome to Statics Lectures by Soul Thinking, and today we are going to solve another problem on force systems. The topic is couple moments today. We will solve a problem on couple moments. Now before I continue, I suggest to you to please watch my video lectures on statics force systems in sequence one by one so that you can understand better. Now the video list link is in the description, or also you can click here to jump right away into the playlist. Now let's go back to the problem. Determine the couple moment acting on the beam. Now we have a beam here and we have to find the couple moment. Okay, now what is couple moment? Before understanding couple moment, let's first understand what is a couple. Okay, now if you have a body, okay, if this line it is some body, okay, and we have two forces acting on it like this, they are opposite in direction. Let this force be F and this be also F. Now this force is upwards, this force is downwards. Now because they have equal magnitude and they are separated by some distance, let us say the distance between them is d. Okay, they are opposite in direction and equal in magnitude. This is a couple. Okay, and the couple moment is found using m is equal to F any of the force multiplied by distance between the forces in one couple. Okay, this is one couple and the distance between the forces of this couple is d, so F multiplied by d is the couple moment. Now how is F multiplied by d the couple moment? You can watch my video lecture on couple moment, you will understand there. Now let's go to the question. As you can see here, let us first see how many couples are here. Now this 400 Newton is downwards, this 400 Newton is upwards, so they make one couple. Okay, so right here we have one couple. Now 200 is towards right and this 200 is towards left, and they are separated by 0.2 meters. Okay, they make second couple, and this 300 Newton is upwards, this 300 Newton is downwards. These two make third couple. Okay, they are separated by 3 plus 2 is 5 meters. So let us find the couple moment. Now couple moment can be added, but you have to keep the sign convention in mind. Let me assume the clockwise couple moments or moments to be positive and anti-clockwise moments to be negative. Okay, now let's find the moment due to this couple, then I will add it to the moment due to this couple, then I will add it to the moment due to this couple. That will be the total couple moment. That's what we have to find. Okay, now moment due to this 400 and 400 will be what? 400 multiplied by distance between the forces, it is 2 meter, right? This is Newton, right? Because moment is force multiplied by distance between them. Force is 400, right, and distance between them is 2 meters. Now they will exert moment like this, right, which is anti-clockwise, so it is negative. Now let's find moment due to this 200 and 200. Now they will exert moment like this clockwise, so it is positive. It is 200 multiplied by 0.2 meter, right? This is Newton. So now let's find the moment due to this 300 Newton couple. Now they will exert moment like this, which is positive. 300 multiplied by distance between the forces in this couple is 3 plus 2 is 5 meters, right? It is Newton. So what we get, now let me use a calculator to solve this. I get 740. Now this is Newton and this is meter, so it is Newton meter, right? Now 740, it we get a positive value, right? We didn't get negative 740, we get a positive 740 Newton meter, right? Now the positive movement is what? It is clockwise, CW. Okay, it is clockwise, CW. So which one is the correct option? So here option B is the correct option because this is 740 Newton meter clockwise. Okay, now here the option C was 740 Newton meter anti-clockwise, but no, we get a positive value. Positive value means clockwise movement, so we don't choose this. We choose the correct option is option B. So in this way we have solved this problem. Now I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please watch my video lectures step by step, or you can comment your doubt, and see you in the next class. Thank you.